According to the Geant4 forum, the Geant4 Python binding is supported on both Linux and macOS. We've mentioned in detail how to compile Geant4 Python bindings on Linux in my previous video. In this one, we will only briefly mention the difference between the Linux and the macOS platforms. According to the Geant4 forum, the right command to install Boost Python in a Mac is brew install boost-python 3. Before you run this command, please make sure that your macOS is up to date, and also please run brew and upgrade to make sure that your homebrew is up to date. After you install Boost Python, you can run brew env boost python 3 to double check the Python version that is used to compile your Boost Python libraries. You can also run brew env python to check the Python version that is enabled in your system and to make sure that this is the same as the Python version that is used to compile Boost Python. In the Mac, you can use both ccmake and cmake GUI to enable the option Geant4 use Python. If you enabled the multi-threaded mode of your Geant4, please make sure that you also turn the TLS model from its initial value to global dynamics. Again, this option is only visible if you turns into the advanced mode in both ccmake and cmake GUI. After a successful configuration, please check that the right Boost Python library is found by your cmake. After you successfully generated makefiles, type make in your build directory to start the compilation of Geant4 and its Python binding. After that, type sudo make install to install your Python binding and the Geant4 libraries to the right location. From the output of the make install process, we notice that the Geant4 Python binding has been already copied to the official Python site packages subdirectory. So there is no need to set the environment variable Python path for the Mac. If you already switched from Bash to Z Shell in your Mac, please add the following line to your .zshellrc file in your home directory to tell your Mac where Geant4 is installed. After that, you can try to load Geant4 Python binding in your Python interactive session and see if you can see the familiar Geant4 banner message. After that, you should be able to type G start UI session to start a Geant4 interactive terminal. After a successful loading of Geant4 modules in your Python, you can type in help Geant4 to bring up a detailed documentation about the Geant4 Python binding, where you can find what kind of Geant4 components are enabled and what kind of functions can be used directly, as well as the author of the Geant4 Python binding. For more information about the detailed usage of the Geant4 Python binding, please refer to my previous video.